Okay.
So Sammy, what one do you pick, man?
Well, I'm thinking the clubs, man.
Clubs?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Why do you pick the clubs?
Because, you know,
Why is this so
clubs.
special?
before that, the first game, we had something, between me and her. So, yeah.
This thing.
I liked her, but
Did you get her name?
What's her name?
what?
Why are you riding this horse?
You asked him what's her name, I'm like, I told you for your clubs. Her name is Clubs. I know.
So you had a hard relationship, right?
Yeah,
in the beginning.
So
Alright, then you what?
No, at the beginning we had like a great relationship.
Really nice?
Yeah, I liked her. I loved her. Yeah. So after like the next game, she had to go that way. So I had to go that way. So what can I do? I had to like broke up with her. So we broke up. Then I told her like I hate you. So she like run away and
So now she's gonna come back to you, huh?
I won, man.
But she's gonna come back to you now?
Yeah.
You want her back?
No. That game, I didn't want her back. I wanted her to just run away. I wanted like to hit me like very bad, so she can run away. Yeah. Now that game, I'm gonna try to get her back.
All right. So how many drinks are you gonna put on her?
As many as she wants.
So 20?
I told you, as many as she wants.
She wants 20.
Yeah. Okay. All
right.
Okay.
We'll resume this after the race.
My dear.